Open the E-Lotto mobile application. Click the Account tab below and click Cash In. You can choose the amount you want to cash in and then select and click Submit. You will be redirected to your wallet app. Log in to confirm the payment and click Pay. After successful payment, you will be redirected back to the E-Lotto app and confirm the successful cash-in. You can now play Lotto using E-Lotto app every day, anytime, anywhere. You can also see the results and winners of the previous draws. Thank you for watching.